Okay, I know it's a little oh, there you guys are. I knew you guys were out. So I was going to say, it's a little brighter, so I shut the curtain here a little bit. Okay. So show people the difference of you being spirit and dust. Right? Show them how it works. Like, you don't go in the same direction. I'm a hot water baseboard. Yes, see? Show them how it works, right? Well, thank you. I appreciate you guys. So it is 20 minutes to 8 this morning. I appreciate all of you coming out. Thank you. I feel horrible that oh, hi. But I feel horrible that Dave is outside there in the well because our water turned off. So any help that you guys can give, thank you, thank you, thank you. Any help that you can give to help figure out why the water keeps turning off, we would be greatly appreciative. We would be thankful. Yeah, we sure would. Yeah, we sure would. So I put it over this way because there's more of a darker background and everybody can see you a little better. And I know that you guys don't mind that we are showing you off now. Because people have to understand that there's a lot of misinformation and that what we have been told is not always the truth, right? And that life does move on. Yeah, life does move on and continues on. And you guys are proof of that. Yeah, you guys are proof of it. So, oh, hi. So, I'm just wondering if Grandma Marshall is here because you're on my mind a lot. Grandma Marshall. Hi. And Grandma Kissel. Hi. And Dad, Helen, Jerome, Jim, Raymond. I wonder, Sue. Sue, are you around?
Hello?
Hello.
Okay, so